This is the land our ancestors, they fought for many years for us to live in peace, for our environment that is not harmful to us. But now, history, it just repeats itself. I have to protect our homes and our way of life against the power of money, the greed, and the short-term profit. My name is Nonhle. I'm an activist fighting for human rights and environmental rights. Mining companies have a strong support from our own government to extract the minerals from our own land. The lush hills will be dust. Our rivers will be poison. Our ocean will be damaged. Our wildlife will be destroyed. That's why I'm fighting. That is why I'm mobilizing my community to stand up to make sure their voices are being heard. There's nothing is going to separate us from the land.